Okay, in this short video, I want to give you a walkthrough on how to utilize the My Wealth Builder feature in your 7K Metals back office, and also how to set up your Sound Money wallet so you can save monthly in the form of silver and gold and have it automated so you can actually start saving in silver and gold just on a regular basis without even have to put much thought into it. You set it and kind of forget it, so to speak. So here I am in my 7K back office, and every time you log in, like I've said before in other videos, you'll see the current spot price of gold and silver at the top. Okay. The markets have been a little hectic this week, and I'll share more on that later. But in this case here, you would go into your 7K office, back office, and you would go to your My Wealth Builder. So you have the options of 1 ounce US silver eagles, 1 ounce US gold eagles, 100 ounce silver bar, or 1 ounce gold bar. So what you would do is go ahead and click buy assets, and it's going to take you to a screen so you can select the assets that you want. So in tonight's video, I'm going to share with you how to purchase. I'll make two transactions of $15 each, just for example purposes. So we're going to go with the 1 ounce US Silver Eagle. So at the top of the screen, it shows the spot price. This would be the actual physical buy price of silver. So we'll click that, and we're going to go with $15. So with this, it's going to be $15 in, but just like anything, any type of transactions you do online, there's a processing fee for credit cards and debit cards. So we're just going to go ahead and select the payment method and then complete the purchase. And just like that, it shows the information. There's the total right there, and it's got the order ID for tracking. So it's going to go back. Let's close this out. And it's going to show the $15 right there in your wealth builder. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do another transaction for $15. I'm just going to go with let's go with 1 ounce US gold eagles. So we're going to go buy assets again. Select the asset, 1 ounce US gold eagle. So the buy price for a physical 1 ounce silver or 1 ounce gold eagle would be $4,432.90. So we're going to go with $15. Whoops. And so here again, it's going to show the processing fee of 45 cents. Okay. And then select the payment method. Go here again. And then just like that, it's done. Okay. There's the receipt. There's the order number. And then we'll go back and it'll show up again here. So right there, we have $30 in the wealth builder. Okay. So that's how easy it is to actually transact and start adding money. This is like if you wanted to do it just whenever you feel like it's a wealth builder account. So if you wanted to set it up with a monthly auto payment, so to speak, with the Sound Money wallet, you would just go to your Powered by Sound Money. You're going to hit click manage. And so what's going to here is you can either do your 7K proactive account, but in this case here, we're going to go to Sound Money and we're going to add a subscription. So you can do that. It's got 5 days, the 1st, 8th, 15th, 21st, and 26th of the month. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to set this up I'll set this up for the 8th. And so you can choose the product that you want. Again, here it's all the same 4 items that you have in your wealth builder. So when you do this Sound Money transaction, if you have money in your wealth builder already, it's going to add this amount to it each monthly, depending on the day that you pick. So we're going to go with the 1 ounce US Silver Eagles. And let's say I'm just going to do on the 8th of the month, I'm going to do, we're using 15, so we'll use 15 again. So $15, and you add the subscription, and there it is. It shows that on the 8th of the month, I'm going to have $15 taken out of my account and put into my wealth builder. So that's how easy it is to kind of transact. So like if I wanted to add another subscription, so if you wanted to have something going into different types of silver or gold, you could do the same thing for other items. So like if you wanted to do another one and have $15 a month go into gold eagles or silver bars or a gold bar, you could transact that way too. Okay. So that's how easy it is to set it up. So this is a unique feature that is exclusive to 7K. No other company has this. And that's something that with the Sound Money wallet in your wealth builder, it also gives you the option to liquidate that money that you have in here. So with everybody, I hope we got some great insight. It is very simple and easy to do. First time you go through it, it might take you a little bit longer to get used to it, but it's a pretty quick and simple process. And below this video, I will also include a link for a Wealth Strategies presentation overview of 7K. It's about a 9-minute video. I'll have that below this video as well. Or if you wanted to just look at 7K and check them out and see what they have to offer and just go through their web pages to see all the different benefits that 7K has, I have a link for that below this video as well too. Okay, so I hope everybody got some great insight from this. I hope everybody has a great rest of your weekend, and we'll talk to everybody again soon. Take care. Bye.